Hello students, welcome to class 4 St. Thomas School EVS. I am Suresh sir. We are revising our lesson from the last 24 lesson. In our last session we have talked about the different riddles. Now let us talk the story of the Kutan who is living in Kerala garden of spices in the backyard of his house. There is Tejpatra, bay leaf, small big cardamoms, black pepper is growing. In our Movas area, we can grow turmeric only. Sometime fenugreek also some farmers are growing. Then there is one activity. All the students have to bring some spices to the class. We have to close our eyes, recognize each spice by smelling and touching in one turn and put mark in front of the ones you recognize. If you do not recognize, put cross mark. So dear students, that you can make it this work at home also by doing this work. Now there is one food recipe. We can prepare recipe in the classroom, that is called chana chaat. All the students have to bring boiled chana gram for everybody in the class. Then afterwards all the students can have the salt, red chili powder, mango powder, lemon according to the taste, roasted cumin seeds, black salt, garam masala if it is possible, fresh coriander leaves also we can put. Now let us talk how it can be prepared. Add salt, red chili powder, amchur powder, lemon juice according to the taste in the boiled chana. To make your chaat more delicious, a little roasted cumin seeds, black salt, coriander powder, pinch of garam masala can be added at the end. Mix the chana well, sprinkle chopped coriander leaves on the top, and your spicy chaat is ready to eat. We can distribute this to all the students in the classroom. Now there were some questions that whether you enjoyed or not, and just imagine if there is no spices, then how would it taste? If there is no spices, it will be a tasteless. Try to learn and make the different kind of chaat and enjoy it with your friends in the classroom. Dear students, likewise we can make bhed also in the classroom with the help of the different things. How does spiceless, very spicy feel on your tongue? Spiceless things we do not like, but while the spicy things, if we added the masala, then we like it. Now there is one definition is given of the garam masala, a powder of mixture of several spices such as cardamom, clove, cumin seeds, cinnamon, black pepper, dry ginger, etc. are called the garam masala. Dear students, here we end our lesson. Then furthermore we are going to the new lesson for the revision part. Last we have completed this 24 lesson. Now next session we shall more discuss and talk about our new revision lesson, that is lesson number 23, home and abroad. Here few points today we will discuss, and then afterwards we will continue our session of revision from the last. So I request all the students to keep the attention in the last session's lesson. Since everybody was running in the Zill's house because Arvind uncle and his family were coming home after 5 years from the Abu Dhabi, Dubai. In our earlier lesson we had discussed about what are the systems there in the desert area of Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates states. Since he had lived there, Zil and her father went to airport to receive them. After the plane landed, passenger had to wait for some time to collect their luggage. At last, Arvind uncle, Nita auntie and their children could be seen coming out, and Hansi and Pal also came out, and they were all loaded the suitcase and bags into the home and then they are going to the Jill's house. Afterwards, whatever remaining talk is there, that we will discuss in our next session. Till then, I remain. Thank